Adventures. Today we are
What is it? GOO GOO Galaxy.
And you know who her name is? She's called Donatina.
Donatina?
She don't like the cold.
She don't like the cold. What else? What does she like?
You have to snuggle her at bedtime.
Oh, okay then. Should we have a look what's inside?
Yes.
Right, so today me and Scarlett went to Tesco and
These are
we got Scarlett one of these. GOO GOO Galaxy, is it?
Yeah.
So DIY, it says it's got DIY Galactic Slime Activity.
Yeah.
Look at it, it looks like a spaceship, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See it with the things. So we open it up, see what's inside. Right, okay. For ages 5+. Let's open it up.
And she don't like dogs anyway.
She don't like dogs?
No, she don't like dogs anyway.
How do you know she doesn't like dogs?
Because she told me.
It says it's called Hi, I'm Astronomy. So she's an astronaut. See it there? She's called, see it guys? Astronomy. She's called. But Scarlett likes to call her Donatina because she's got a donut on her head.
Yeah.
Right, okay then. Ooh. Donatina.
Okay. Okay, so got more eggs.
Get over here.
Okay, this is the
Move around a
slime
bit.
pot.
Slime
That's my sleep. This is my sleep because
Oh, you're sitting over there? You're going to sit over there?
yeah.
You got to make sure everyone can see what you're doing then.
You have to move the table a little bit.
Oh, sorry. You're not that skinny, are you?
And GOO GOO Galaxy like to get changed.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Right, so what's this, Scarlett?
This is for the slime pot.
Slime pot. So, should we make that in a minute?
And you can drink it when it's finished.
Ah, so the slime is her juice.
Yes, sir.
Alright, cool. Right, should we get
And it's like a little keychain. You like a keychain, Daddy.
That's what we'll do.
And it got straw in it, and it's hers.
Oh, good. So it comes with this. It's called Starshine.
And this is a straw.
Cosmic Cloud.
This is a straw, a lid with a straw in it. Okay, first you have to squeeze the belly.
Right, okay.
And then you have to
I'm
make
still trying to get it out. There we go. Show everyone. There we go. So Scarlett really wanted this one because it's her favourite colour, pink.
Yeah.
If you're not guessed already from her other videos.
Donatina.
Donatina.
And her mum and dad waiting for everywhere. And we gotta keep an eye out.
So I think you can squeeze it now. Oh yeah, you can squeeze it.
And we have to keep an eye out at her because she always walk around.
She always wanting. She always hiding.
Yeah. And we have to find her.
Oh wow.
And I went into the spaceship with her mum and dad. And she told her, and she always hide in the attic.
Oh, in the attic. Right, okay. Maybe you're going to have to keep a good eye on her then because she might even hide somewhere in it.
First, you have to make your slime. Guys, this is our passport for our baby aliens.
Oh, yeah. How cool is that? It tells us what we've got to do as well. So, firstly, we've got to add some slime crystals. So these.
Slime crystals.
So should we put these in here? Yeah? We'll put them in there.
Alright. Donatina is going to tell us what we have to do.
Ooh.
Okay, Donatina's
hang
going
on.
to pour it in.
Right, be careful.
Donatina's pouring it. Careful, Donatina. I'll be careful. Donatina.
Oh, put it all in.
It's white.
Oh, you got to get it in.
Donatina's white.
You're missing it. Get it all over my hand.
Sorry.
Right, there we go. Right, so
Donatina.
now we've got that in. Put some of these in there now. This is dropped off.
So silly.
Right, now.
Donut Tina put all the sprinkles in. Now we have to
Get the spoon. Get the spoon to stir it. Stir it.
Okay.
Right, go on, stir it up. See guys. It's going a nice dark pink now, isn't it?
Yeah, Donut Tina like that juice.
What do you think? Is that enough water?
Yeah.
Yeah, just give it a nice big stir. See it, guys.
I think it's nice.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look. It's got a nice gooey colour now.
I'm thirsty.
Right, so, and now we need to put, we'll put them on here so it's a bit easier to put them in. Right, do you want to scoop some of that in there?
I'll put it.
Go on then. This is called the Cosmic Cloud, what you're putting in now.
Bobby's shouting because...
She's probably seen another dog, hasn't she?
What?
Probably seen another dog crossing the road. Right, I think that's enough.
Okay.
So we put a bit more water in.
Yeah.
Oh, go on then. Stir it up, make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. How cool is this, guys? Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't...
Donut Tina is ready for a drink.
Donut Tina thinks you should give it a big thumbs up as well. Don't you, Scarlett?
Yeah.
Big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe.
Donut Tina loves donuts.
Yeah. I like donuts as well, don't I? Oh, you see it's going a nice thick pasty now, isn't it? It's going to proper slime. Right, now we've got to add some star shines. Some of these. So sprinkle some of them in.
Starshine.
Ooh, look guys. Slime. Put some of them in on the top.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So cool.
How cool is that?
Donut Tina loves sprinkles.
Ooh, it gets everywhere.
Oh, I should drop it.
Some more sprinkles. More shine.
And now you have to put...
No, we don't need any more water in now. That's it, guys. So, that's Donut Tina. Drink. Let's remove this out of the way. Put the lid back on. Let's see if she likes it. What do you reckon? Nice. Nom 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 nom.
It tastes like donuts.
Donut drink. Ew.
I love donuts. Yeah. Oh,
She likes eating donuts. She likes drinking shining.
look, I can carry it with my donut.
Oh, yeah. How cool is that?
It's not like a backpack.
Oh, yeah. Let's have a look what else
I can
is
put it
there.
in my backpack. I think school has slime going with it.
Ah,
This is
so,
donut.
see this here, Scarlett?
Yeah.
This is a passport, but it's got a little note on it as well. So, dear Donut Tina, life on Pluto is always a sweet surprise. It rains sprinkles in winter, and we have long and lazy summers. Every day here is a jam-pack full of fun things to do. It's a real treat.
What?
It's a real treat, yeah. From astronomy, hugs and kisses. Oh, hugs and squishes. How cool is that?
Yeah. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.